हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं IAS UPSC IAS Maths Optional paper. So today we will be solving the 2023 paper. If you have any questions, doubts regarding classes, any inquiry, anything comes into your mind, so this is your helpline number. I will always give you the answers directly or by voice messages. So let's get started with the very first question. So that is 1A. This is given, let G be a group of order 10 and G prime be order of 6. Examine whether there exists a homomorphism between G and G prime. Okay. So examine whether homomorphism G into G prime. Okay. So first let's go for the concepts. A little bit of concepts first is very important. So the order of a group is the smallest positive integer. So n, so G to the power n equal to E equal to identity. If it is homomorphism, then G to G prime, there you will go and maps the element of G to the elements of G prime. Okay, so the such as the group operation is preserved to be like phi of AB is phi A into phi B, where AB belongs to G. So what is the order of the group? By order, in this order case, by Lagrangian theorem we can go. Okay, the subgroup G divides the order of the G. Okay, so this is a subgroup. So if the phi is a homomorphism from G to G prime, then the order of ये जो G prime का जो order है, ये जो है G prime का the order of G prime must divide the order of G, must divide order of G. ठीक है, तो G का है 10 this thing, तो order of G is 10, G prime ये है. So since 6 doesn't divide 10, अब 6 does not divide 10. ठीक है, तो इस हिसाब से there cannot be a surjective homomorphism from G into G prime. Okay, conclusion is no such homomorphism from G to G prime exists because the order G prime doesn't divide the order of this. So 1A is done. Let's go to 1B. So that is says remember that I tried to give a very easy structured solution, not like completely I'm writing everything. So in order to make you understand the thing, you need to write in an elaborate way in the answers. थोड़ा सा elaborately आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो चलिए, और याद रखिए हर एक आंसर को ज़्यादा लिखने से ही सही नहीं होगा, लेकिन लिखने से एक्सप्रेशन से काफ़ी कुछ फ़र्क पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो चलिए, एक्सप्रेस द आइडियल 4z प्लस 6z एज अ प्रिंसिपल आइडियल इन द इंटीग्रल डोमेन z. आइडियल एज अ प्रिंसिपल आइडियल. ठीक है, तो कैसे एक्सप्रेस करेंगे? तो 4 और 6 का GCD निकालेंगे पहले, इसका कोएफिशिएंट जो है. सो GCD ऑफ 4 and 6 है 2. सो अब 2 इसका जनरेटर है, वेरीफाई 2 इज द जनरेटर. ठीक है, तो वी नीड टू शो दैट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ 4z plus 6z is a multiple of 2 and every multiple of 2 can be written as 4a plus 6b in this format. Every multiple of 2 can be expressed in this way. Okay, so now we show that the multiple of 2 of this thing. So let x equal to, हम लोग यहाँ पर लेना है 2k. So we need to find the integers a and b such that 2k equal to 4a plus 6b. So in that case k equal to 1, a equal to 2, b equal to, we can take as -1. That can be a combination. This works in this case. So conclusion, since every element of 4z plus 6z is a multiple of 2 and every multiple of 2 can be expressed as the form of 4a plus 6b, तो ये जो 4z plus 6z हमारे पास है, so this भी exactly 2z के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. So this can be expressed as ideal of 2. Okay, so answer is, this is the expression. So इसे हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4z 6z, this is the ideal of 2.